everyone. Thanks for joining me today. This episode was supposed to be about freshwater fishing. I had grand planned to do some trout fishing in Jersey today, but being a lazy bum that I am, I overslept this morning, so I scrapped that plan and decided to do some herring fishing instead. Heard that the herrings are all over the island and around the New York harbors for the last week or so. So here I am at the local dock, armed to the teeth with my number 8 sabiki rig and my ultralight weight penfish rod. I mean, I see other people with, 9-footer, 10-footer heavy duty rod for this type of fishing. So whatever works for you, these fish are not too picky. They will bite regardless. The weatherman forecasted to have a snowstorm today. Right now it's just a very, very light flurry. So I want to get my fishing done before the storm start to cripple the local road and prevent me from getting home. You'll probably notice that I am the only one here at this dock. Maybe I just think people are not as crazy as I am to go out fishing in a thunderstorm or snowstorm. But from what I gather, all the other docks are packed with people. Real estate is premium in those areas. I just don't know why people doesn't come here. Maybe there's no fish. I don't know. No, I don't believe that. I'm actually pulling fish just about every cast early on, but they're not the Christmas tree decoration type of hookup. You know, the 3 or 4 fish at a time. But that changed later on toward I guess toward midday or so. I need to remind myself when going herring fishing, must bring a bucket if you decide to keep the fish, a hand warmer because it's really cold, and a rubber glove would be helpful too if you decide to handle fish because these fish are really, really got a very heavy scent. thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment, a like, a dislike, and please subscribe. Thank you.